Hello, I'm Peter Sumega. I am from the engineering team of a company called StreamUnlimited. Our company is focused on producing a technology for consumer electronics, mainly focused on streaming audio. We are showing on ISE show a few demos. Again, all demos are focused on streaming audio. We are providing a hardware solution and software solution. We have a few module offerings, which you can find here, and quite rich software stack, which supports more than 25 different music providers like Spotify, Amazon Music, Google Cast, AirPlay. We are also supporting all kinds of voice controls, like Google Voice Control, Alexa, Xiaowei from Tencent. For more information, you can visit our website.